Welcome back to our channel everyone. In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to log in to your Grindr account. If you've also signed up and have an account of Grindr, then in this video, let me show you how you can log into it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. Firstly, you'll need to download the Grindr app from the Play Store or the App Store, depending upon your device. And once this app has been downloaded, you can open it up. Now once you open up the app of Grindr, you can see a login form on the home screen. Now there are a few methods that you can log into your account. You need to choose the method that you used while creating your account or signing up for Grindr. If you used your email address, you can firstly type in the email address and then type in the password that you created. Or if you used your phone number, you can tap on the phone number option, and instead of email, you can type in your phone number and then type in the password that you created. Or there are also other options such as Facebook or Google. If you use your Facebook or your Google account while signing up for Grindr, you can easily tap on these options and choose your Google or Facebook account, and you'll be immediately logged in. So you can choose the method that you used while signing up and then just tap on login and you'll be immediately logged in to your Grindr account. If you don't remember the password, if you're signing up with email or phone number, you can tap on the forgot password option and then follow the steps to recover and create a new password. So there you go. That was the easy process on logging in to your Grindr account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.